Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, in this session, I will discuss with you the summary of the topics which we have studied under computer architecture and the fetch execute cycle. See boys, this is the section and the topic of the Cambridge O-Level Computer Science 2210 syllabi which we have covered. It's 1.3 hardware and software, and then 1.3.2 computer architecture and the fetch execute cycle. It is in section 1 and the name of the section is theory of computer science. Here is a topic and the chapter which we have covered from the course book. In chapter number 3, computer architecture, and then the topic 3.01, von Neumann architecture, the stored program concept, buses, the fetch execute cycle. Now boys, the topics and the chapter summary. First of all, we have discussed what the computer architecture is. We have discussed the meaning and the definition of the computer architecture. Then, what is von Neumann architecture? Then we have discussed what were the early computer architectures and what was the architecture suggested by the von Neumann. After that, we have studied computer system parts or components in von Neumann architecture, and these were CPU or processor, then storage including primary, cache, register and secondary storage, then the input output devices. Then we have discussed what are the main components of the CPU, means central processing unit, and these were control unit, arithmetic logic unit and immediate access store. Then we have discussed what is meant by the cache memory and what are the functions of the cache memory. After that, we have discussed what are the CPU registers and what are their particular functions. The registers we have discussed: the CIR, current instruction register, PC, program counter register, then MAR, memory address register, then MBR or MDR, memory data register or memory buffer register. And the last register we have discussed was accumulator register, AC or ACC. After that, we have discussed the input output. What are the input output devices and what are the IO controllers? After that, we have discussed what is meant by the bus or the computer bus. We have discussed the definition of the computer bus and what is meant by the bus width. Then we have discussed the various type of computer buses and their particular function, means the data bus, address bus and control bus and their functions. After that, we have discussed the idea of the stored program, what is meant by the stored program, the definition, and what are the advantages of the stored program concept and the stored program computer. Then the last topic we have discussed during our video lessons, the fetch execute cycle. We have taken the definition of fetch execute cycle. After that, we have discussed the various stages of the fetch execute cycle, means fetch, decode, execute, what is meant by fetch, what is meant by decode, and what is meant by execute, and what the CPU does during fetch, execute, decode, and execute. After that, we have taken the description of each stage. Now boys, all these topics which I have discussed with you, we have covered these topics in detail in our video lessons from 10 to 17. So your first home task is you have to watch all the video lessons from lesson number 10 to 17 and take the notes. Your second task is you have to read now complete topic 3.01 from chapter number 3 from your computer science course book. Dear students, if you still have any query, you can ask it on my WhatsApp group NK-CBS-O levels. Thank you very much boys. Allah Hafiz.